ugly sweater. It's ugly sweater. It makes me look just like that King Cole. He's unforgettable. All my friends got better things than this ugly sweater. Ugly, 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 ugly. Thank you very much, and I'm gonna take it back. You better give me the receipt. Ugly, unattractive, ugly sweater. He looks like crap.
How dare you! Oh my god. Guys, I know you may not be able to hear this, but he literally just said crap just now. He literally just said crap. I'm not kidding. He literally says that. I'm not even complaining. I even did a video of a clip that he said that like 2 months ago. I had to press the button really hard because I glued it, and I did tell you that's the part once, but I did put it back together. And I glued the button to where you press it, so now I'm going to press it hard.
All I got for Christmas was this ugly sweater. It makes me look just like that King Cole. He's unforgettable. All my friends got better things than this ugly sweater. Ugly, 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 ugly. Thank you very much, and I'm gonna take it back. You better give me the receipt. Ugly, unattractive, ugly sweater. He looks like crap.
He just said it. Since it's a funny, I guess I'll do it again.
All I got for Christmas was this ugly sweater. This ugly sweater. It makes me look just like that King Cole. He's unforgettable. All my friends got better things than this ugly sweater. Ugly, 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 ugly. Thank you very much, and I'm gonna take it back. You better give me the receipt. Ugly, unattractive, ugly sweater. He looks like crap in his Christmas sweater.
This thing is really funny. He literally says crap in the song. He literally does. If you go through my channel, go to the clip, that clip where it said he looks like crap. I just did that so to make you think that he really did say it. This thing is really cursed.